So now we've learned how to write the introduction, which is the paragraph of the post body, and also how to add an image. So now it is what you can actually, the reason why Gutenberg is a powerful block editor is what you can add into your post body is much more than adding just text and images. There are a lot of options and a lot of things that you can add inside your post body, and if you want to see and view all of these options, all of these items, all of these things that you can add in your post body, all you have to do is click on the plus sign here and you'll be able to see the block inserter. So we call this tool the Gutenberg editor. We call this post editor the Gutenberg editor or the block editor, and the plus sign here is the blocks inserter. So blocks inserter simply means if you want to insert a particular thing in your post editor. So let's say the first block we are seeing right here is the paragraph block. The second block here is the image block. So if you want to, there are also other blocks that you can add. So for instance, when you click the plus sign here to add a new block, so you have the paragraph block, you have the heading block, you have the list block, you have the quote block. So I'm going to there are a lot of options, like a lot of blocks that you can add: the code, classic, performance, pull, and the likes. So, and these are basically the first option that you are seeing right here is under the text block. So now you close down here, you're going to see the media block where you can add image, gallery, audio, cover, and the likes. We also have the design blocks where you can add buttons, page break, site logo, site title, and the likes. And we also have widget blocks, so where you can add something like calendar or latest comment onto your post editor. We have the theme block where you can add different functionality that you want for your site. We have the embed block where you can, for instance, if you see a video on YouTube that you would like to play directly inside your post editor screen, so you can just simply click on the YouTube block and you import the video onto your post editor. So now we're going to make use of 3 random blocks so you can see how the blocks like. So for instance, I'm going to add an heading, I'm going to also add a button, and I'm also going to add a media file so you can see how it works. So for instance, let's say I want to add an heading here, so I'm going to click on plus sign, then come down to the heading, and here I have the heading, so I can say playing my favorite media. So this is the title. So after the title, then I'm going to also add an audio on my site. So you can add an audio, you can add a video, you can add a picture. So I'm going to add an audio, so you can add other. So now I want to insert an audio into the file. So there are different ways that you can also add an audio, which is similar to how you add an image into your blog. So you can either upload a new audio to your site, to your post editor, to your post screen. You can either add an audio that has been uploaded to your media library, or you use an audio that is inside from an external resources. So I'm going to upload a new audio. Click on upload audio, click on this and upload this. So now I have the audio aspect. So, and there are also and you can also, so now I have the audio inserted in my, so there are a lot of blocks that you can play with depending on what you want to achieve. You can add calendar, you can add short code, categories, and etc. So you can just play around with all of these blocks and see how it works like. So, and to make it easier, if you are looking for a particular block, so let's say you want to use a button on your site, so instead of searching around for all the button block, so you can also make use of the search here and type search for button. So when you click on button, you click on it and then you can click on button. So click me to open, visit, to like our Facebook page. So now, and when you are done, you can now click on so previously you can click on save draft, and if you want to, if you are done with writing your article and you want it to be visible to other users, so you can click on publish. So when you click on the publish here, it's going to confirm that are you ready to publish your site. So then you click on publish. So now that we've published it, when you visit the site, so let's visit our site and it has to look like. So when you visit the site, so now I have the post available on my front end site. So I can this is 2021 review. WordPress themes are great for customizing your WordPress, and I have the heading here, I have the audio here, I have the button right Yeah, so that's all about that, about using the other blocks editor on your post editor screen.